GNN24 India News updates regarding Meerut murder case. Autopsy uncovers grisly details. Saurabh killed 2 weeks ago. Attempt to melt body. The shocking murder case in Meerut has taken a gruesome turn as the autopsy report reveals disturbing details about the fate of Saurabh, the victim. Authorities now believe he may have been killed nearly 2 weeks before his body was discovered. The forensic examination suggests that the perpetrators attempted to destroy evidence by trying to melt or decompose the body using chemicals or other means. This chilling revelation raises serious questions about the motive behind the murder and whether more individuals were involved in covering up the crime. Was this a meticulously planned killing, or did it spiral out of control? As investigators piece together the timeline, new leads are emerging, shedding light on the horrifying sequence of events. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this spine-chilling case, analyzing forensic findings, police statements, and potential connections that could unravel the mystery behind Saurabh's brutal murder.